Today I explore the Plaza in District 5 Saigon. Let's go. I'm at CGV, the top level of the Plaza. The time now is about 6:30 p.m. and the locals are preparing to watch some movies. It's a very popular local cinema brand. Level 6 now, there's a photo town where you can rent the costume for free and then take the selfies, and there's also a bakery, 4G taxes here. There's even a vaccine center for the children. Going down, the next level we are the California Fitness right here. A very big center, both sides. Lots of restaurant here. Hokkaido Tachi and more. Hong Kong, same for Hong Kong. And then Shibuya front. Ichi sushi concept. There's an ice sushi, a sharp pizza jet, and a Hadilao hot pot in front. Today is weekend, so it's super crowded. You figure Japanese BBQ concept food in some Thai restaurant. Oh, look at the chef cooking the food with the fire, the McDowell teppanyaki concept. Wow. There's a Crystal Jade Hong Kong kitchen right here. And not only that, they have an ice sushi restaurant from Japan. It's very crowded today, the weekend. At level 3 now, more restaurant. There's a boat to the Bangkok, tteokbokki. And right here, the Swenson ice cream, and the Chili Thai Bangkok Eatery and Chinatown seafood, and also the Mangwa Lebanese hot pot. Chili Thai. Mangwa Taiwanese hot pot. Tteokbokki Korean tteokbokki buffet, actually a few times. It's not very nice. I mean, it's kind of average food, but the price is really like affordable. Now, even saw the massager right there in the DJ Osmo CV3. Look at that. Look at the prices. TH skin, koi catching machine, massage chair. Then as for the lower level, oh wait, there's a Jupi tteokbokki right here. Actually, it's newer than the tteokbokki buffet. I mean the restaurant earlier. This is called the Jupi. The light is brighter now here. At level 2 right now. Now there are more shops, but there are no restaurants. Like the Skechers, Giordano. There's some kind of jewelry right here being sold and the clothes. Lots of jewelry. Rings, bracelet. There's a Nike shop at the corner. I've not been here for at least 1 year, so some of the things have been changed. Already. More shops. One right now, Starbucks, hcmc, some perfumes, Tommy Hilfiger, Aldo, Logos, Clubs.